This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Bluetooth headset to your Samsung tablet. So I have my Xbox wireless headset. Just swipe down from the top right and go to settings. Go down to connections, Bluetooth, turn this on, tap Bluetooth. Now press scan on the top and go to your device and turn it on and put it in the Bluetooth pairing mode. So on this Xbox headset, all I have to do is hold down the power button. You might have a dedicated Bluetooth button, and you can see the lights blinking now. Then I'm going to go to scan, and it should show up under this list. Xbox wireless headset, we can just tap it and pair it. You can hear there was a sound. Let's go to pair. And it should be connected now. So we can scroll this up and down. If we no longer want it on the device, just go to settings, go to on pair, and we can completely forget it. But very easy to connect your headset. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.